In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if Microsoft Defender is installed on your PC. Now, Microsoft's built-in antivirus, Microsoft Defender, is your first line of defense against malicious software and security threats. Ensuring it's installed and active is crucial for keeping your device safe. Let's walk through the steps to verify that Microsoft Defender is protecting your computer. First, let's start with a common location on your PC. The Start menu. Move your cursor to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the Start button. This action will open a menu filled with various options, but the one we're interested in today resembles a small gear. Yes, you've guessed it, that's the Settings icon. Clicking on this icon will open a new window that allows you to make various system adjustments. Once you're in the Settings window, look for an option labeled Privacy and Security. In some older versions of Windows, this might be called Update and Security, so don't hesitate to select that if it fits your description better. Both options essentially get you where you need to be. You're now in the right space to start homing in on your security settings. Now, with the menu open on the left-hand side of the screen, find and select the Windows Security option. This is the heart of your computer's built-in protection suite. It manages everything from virus protection to managing your firewall controls. It's a vital place to visit when checking on your computer's security status. Next, on the Windows Security screen, you'll see several blocks, each labeled for different security features. The one we're focusing on today is Virus and Threat Protection. Go ahead and click on it. You should now see a window detailing the current status of your virus and threat protection. If you observe a message indicating no current threats, that's a great sign. It means Microsoft Defender is likely installed and working properly. This message confirms that Defender hasn't spotted any issues, and your computer enjoys that extra layer of security. However, if you see any notifications about updates or actions you need to take, it's prudent to address them promptly to keep your security features running optimally. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can confirm that Microsoft Defender is installed on your PC and active. Regularly checking on your security settings ensures that you're constantly safeguarding your data and device from potential threats. If you find that Defender isn't running as it should be, consider troubleshooting or consulting more detailed guides to get it set back up. Be proactive with your computer's security, and it will thank you with seamless and safe operation. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your system secure.